Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to use dual apps on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on app clone. Now from here, just enable the toggle for the apps which you want to clone. Just like that. Now from here, if you go to your home screen and open the app drawer on your smartphone, now from here, as you can see, we have successfully created dual apps on our smartphone. Now as you can see, this is the clone version of the original app. As you can see, there is an icon at the lower left corner on the icon to indicate that this is the clone version. Just like that. And this is how you can use dual apps on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.